What if humans had the ability to control the weather? Imagine a world where scientists discover a technology that enables them to manipulate rainfall, temperature, and storms with precision. This newfound power raises a myriad of possibilities and challenges. Agriculture could thrive as farmers regulate rainfall and sunlight, ensuring optimal growing conditions year-round. Natural disasters like hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires could be mitigated or even prevented, saving countless lives and protecting ecosystems. However, the geopolitical implications are immense. Nations might vie for control over weather systems, leading to conflicts over access to rainfall and sunlight. Questions of ethics arise as some may argue that tinkering with nature in such a way is playing with forces beyond our understanding. The balance of power and responsibility in a world where humans control the weather would be a delicate and complex issue to navigate, requiring global cooperation and ethical considerations to ensure the well-being of all.